Lying on the mountain top with sweeping views of the Boreal Range and the verdant valleys below. Here I am in Haflong, the only hill station of Assam in Dima Hasao district, and it has become a popular tourist destination in last couple of years. Known for its scenic beauty and cultural richness, Haflong definitely offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of life, and living less than 100 kilometers away from this beautiful place. In 2 years, I have visited Haflong 4 times. Situated at a distance about 95 kilometers from Silchar and 330 kilometers from Guwahati, Haflong could be reached by road or train. If you are traveling from Silchar, I would advise you to take the train as the road is still under construction. There are many places to visit in and around Haflong. The ones which I would recommend not to miss are Ethnic Village and Jatinga Bird Watching Tower. Ethnic Village is a model village for tourists which represents the cultural richness of Dima Hasao district. It has well decorated and well maintained gardens and modern huts. Although the condition of few huts have deteriorated over time, the huts represent the habitats of different indigenous tribes of Dima Hasao district like Dimasa, Rongmai, Baite, Kuki, Jeminaga, and many more. You can also find various household and traditional items like hunting weapons, fishing tools, utensils inside these model huts. This place is definitely a must visit in Haflong. And just 4 kilometers away from the ethnic village, there is Jatinga Bird Watching Tower, which is famous for the phenomenon of birds committing suicide. Over the last 100 years, thousands of birds have flown to their death over a small strip of land in Jatinga village. As this phenomenon gained popularity, researchers were drawn to this village, and they found out that birds are attracted to lights, and during dark nights, the birds would be attracted to the lights in the village, and in an attempt to reach these lights, the birds would descend and end up crashing into trees, lights, and buildings. The Jatinga Bird Watching Tower has a lot of photographic as well as textual records detailing this strange phenomenon. Lot of tourists visit Haflong just for a day. But if you have time and looking for some adventure, Then you could do Sielkal Peak Trek, which is also known as Mount Tumjang Trek. The trek to Sielkal Peak starts from the village called Pilekul, which is around 43 kilometers from Haflong. It's mostly an easy day trek and takes around 2 hours to reach the peak. The peak is named after the village Tumjang, the nearest village to the peak, which derives its name from Tum, in Kuki dialect, a rare tree found in the village. I have done this trek thrice, and every time it has given me memories to cherish forever. From befriending locals to visiting their houses and enjoying home-cooked food and local beer. From dancing under the sky to trekking in the dark. This place definitely holds a special place in my heart. With winding roads, lush greenery, and vibrant flora, Sielkal Peak is a haven for trekkers and nature enthusiasts. There are camping options in the Tumjang village too, and one could just get lost in the majestic beauty which the nature has to offer during sunset or sunrise. If you haven't visited Haflong, then maybe it's time to plan a trip to this unexplored destination.